People have things they want to do before one's die. I want to do these 3 things. When I am 70 years, first, I want to travel to other country with my family. Second, I want to try various hairstyles. Here are 2 reasons to support my essay. First, I want to try different hairstyle and free. I want to try various styles that I couldn't do normally, but I want to do variety style when I'm before one's die. Usually, I can't do different hairstyle because I am embarrassed. I can show to other person too beautiful, and also I like to change my hairstyle so I can feel interested. Second, I want to travel to other country with my family. I want to make good experience with who loves person. I want to take many pictures. Also, I want to get pictures, then I want to see every day. I almost don't go on other countries, so I don't take airplane. So I want to take airplane. In conclusion, when I am 70 years, I will do these 3 things. First, I will try various hairstyles. Second, I want to travel with my family. Thank you for listening to my presentation.